Alright, so this is going to be a drone section of the Sunday meet in the city of Malibu. Malibu Autobahn. There is just way too much to be going around, so I am better off flying around. First I gotta get the drone in the air. But super cool day out. If you guys haven't seen the other video when I was walking around, man, I was walking around super quick because, you know, it got super exciting. And for that, I wasn't able to see everything like slow and quick. So now we're flying in the air.
Home point updated.
Home point updated. Here you go. There's the herd of humans around DDE. Lucky for me, I was able to fly above everybody. Am I rhyming right now or what? Daily Driven Exotics. They just opened up their new shop in Compton. This McLaren Senna is super sexy. Look at these guys with the filming and everything going on. And of course, they've got the Gallardo right next door to it. Not the Murcielago. Oh man, we're gonna fly right above this chick's head real quick. Sorry, miss. Just wanna get up on there. I'm gonna land right there on his dang. No, kidding. Don't kill me, Damon. Let's see here. He doesn't even watch the videos anyway. Because the channel is not that big, but it is big. Wow. SVJ Aventador, the Huracan, Mr. Gen X Kid, DDE's Gallardo, probably the cheapest in the bunch. And then you got all these other supercars around it. I think you guys can hear in the background all the cars popping and revving and stuff. It sounds insane. There's a couple of wires around here I do gotta be careful of. They're black, they're thin, and I can't necessarily see them. Ooh, an STO. See, I didn't see that before when I was first down here. That bike is going crazy. Cadillac wrapped in green and black. Corvette gang right over here rolling in deep. So I think we can do this. Let's see here. Yeah, there we go. Ooh, flying above the ocean. Get right around the whole outside over here for you guys. Take it a little down slower. Alright, is this another Lamborghini? What's that off-road version? Yeah, it is. No way. They have one wrapped in orange right here too. There's two of them over here. One in gold and one in orange. This color's pretty sick. This is the Malibu Autobahn tent. Malibu Autobahn is basically like Zuma Cars and Coffee. They hang out around the coast a lot and they do rallies. Zuma is just park and chill, but Malibu does rallies and all the other good stuff and, you know, supercar stuff for the billionaires and the millionaires out there. The fortunate ones, they call them. Let's see here. Technically, we all are fortunate, guys. Just want to leave that out there. SVJ. People saying hi to the drone. R8. Dang. Just to get a quick aerial shot of how many cars are here, guys. This is cool. This is one of the benefits of having a drone. You can honestly fly wherever you want, especially when you have a drone with really good range. So it looks like there's a couple of Lotuses right up here. Oh yes, look at that. That green, the lime green coming right over here. You have, what, from the beginning you have a Charger, wide body, regular Charger. Looks like a Q50. Yeah, Q50, Challenger, Type R. A Purple Charger, sick. Supra, Chevy SS, another Q50, and then a Mercedes C-Class it looks like. Nice. Another Supra. These guys hanging out on the rooftop. I didn't even know you can park up here or even come up on this building, honestly. This is all like a different area for me. I don't hang around this side of the town. Ooh, is that a Corvette right there? Let's go. Yeah, it looks like a Corvette C6. Base model? Yeah. Q50 with a carbon front end right over there. What else do we have up this hill? Whoa, did I fly through the wire? Oh my goodness, that was so sketchy. I turned around and bloop, there's a wire right in front of my face. I don't honestly know how I missed that. I'm gonna keep it kind of low until I see a car. Charger. There you go, there's one of the McLaren GTs that I seen earlier. Yeah, that one was so black I couldn't record it. Little Challenger taking off. Coming even down here, guys, you can see There's a lot of cars. So that whole line by the beach side is majority of modded cars. Absolutely insane day. Honestly, might just get a quick little roller on ground for you guys and include that in this clip. It's not going to be that long of a vlog. Let's see here. Scatoon is leaving. Cool. Let's see what's up. There goes that marble Honda NSX taking off. There goes Scatoon and the C7 taking off as well. Cool. Old caddy right there. Sick. I heard a supercharger, but no, it couldn't have been that. It's just passing right now. Well, there you guys have it. A quick little tour with the drone. I believe that was that Mustang, the white and black one right there. BMWs with their pop tunes. Sorry about that shakiness. Yeah, that was those two cars taking off. There you go, something classic right there. Old square body. Couple of Supras. Looks like the herd has dispersed from the sides, but slowly getting back on there. Gonna take one last little baby flight. Well, flight back over here to the winner's circle. See if I can land down without hitting a wire or something. Doing our last little pass over of all these cars, going as close as I can to everybody's head before I do clip. I don't want to clip somebody because it's just rude and disrespectful. But, oh, another wire. I love getting in close shots. Ah, take it up, take it up. Ah. He's trying to throw it at the drone. What a douchebag, bro. Douche alert. Let's go bug him again, huh? Likes to be a bully. See how good your throwing arm is, kid. What does it say on the shirt? I need to lose 10 pounds. Oh, they both were trying to throw it. That's funny. Okay. How rude. Alright, so that's going to be it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the drone. I hope you enjoyed all the footage from Saturday, Sunday. There's a lot more car content coming up with the Fiat. It's, you know, fixing and stuff like that. Oh, snap. But yeah, it's all to come later on in the channel, guys. So, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Crazy BMW. Alright, so before I actually do end this drone vlog, yes, I'm back down here on the ground. I just want to talk about the surrounding area, guys. There's a Z06 Scat in that tan color. Looks like the patrol guys out here checking out everything as well. But there's a lot of cars way up away from the whole entire Malibu water scene. Right over here, you got the Hellcat, which is very dangerous to leave this up here because honestly, you know, Hellcats are quickly stolen. But let's see what else. I know Fresh Kicks is also down here. Okay. Slowing it down right here. There's a Bronco behind me, but I'll let him go around. You got Fresh Kicks right here. Oh my goodness. And of course, it's in that satin gray with the work wheels. Dude, this thing is killer, man. Look at that spoiler right there. The way how it just dives down with the swan neck. Okay. Moving on. Got another BMW. It's got that weird, I know it's an M3, but it's got the hump, kind of like an E90, but seen two of those. Maybe it's the same guy from earlier. Nah, pretty sure not. Lexus right here, IS300. Another E90. Sick. Why is it when I'm leaving, everybody wants to leave? Little M2 right over here. There was an M2 comp earlier and a M3 CS. They were down the hill by the gas station. I wasn't able to record at that time, but 5.0, a Z28 older Catfish Camaro. Of course, ending this video right here with a 3000, and it's got an Insta 360 on there too. Sick. Okay, that's gonna be it. As always, guys, stay safe and stay chill.